This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will not bypass purchase verification. Instead, start by checking your device settings to change legitimate authentication behavior. Open Settings, go to Passwords and Purchases, and inspect Require Password or Face ID options so you can reduce friction without disabling safeguards. Once done, confirm your Apple ID is signed in and that payment details are current, because the system relies on valid account info. Make sure to enable or prepare family sharing if you want shared purchases, rather than removing verification entirely. Now you'll adjust authentication to match your needs without breaking rules. In Passwords and Purchases, choose when a password is required, immediately or after 15 minutes, so purchases can flow during short sessions. This preserves security while reducing prompts. Next, enable Face ID or Touch ID for purchases so you use biometrics instead of typing a password, which speeds transactions. If a child or secondary user needs looser controls, configure screen time to allow specific apps or purchases rather than removing verification for everyone. Finish by ensuring changes take effect and by troubleshooting common problems. Restart your device and update iOS so the new purchase settings apply correctly. Software updates often fix glitches. If settings revert or don't save, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh account state and re-enter payment info if needed. If none of that helps, contact Apple support and explain you want to modify verification behavior for convenience. They can safely assist without compromising security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.